In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook. Highlighting text is a simple way to draw attention to key points in your email, like deadlines, action items, or important details. And it helps your message stand out clearly for your recipient. First, open Outlook and start a message by creating a new email or replying to an existing one. Make sure you are in the Compose window where you can type your message. This feature works while you are editing the body of the email, and it's most effective when your message format supports rich text, which Outlook typically uses by default. Next, select the exact text you want to highlight. You can click and drag across the words. Double fake-click to select a single word or triple fake-click to grab an entire paragraph. If you need to refine your selection, use Shift with your arrow keys to adjust letter by letter without losing your highlight selection. Now look toward the top of the message window and go to the Home or Message tab. These tabs contain the formatting tools you'll use while composing. Within that ribbon, find the Basic Text section. This area includes options like bold, italic, font color, and the highlighter. Locate the text highlight color icon. It looks like a marker or highlighter pen. Don't confuse it with the font color button, which changes the color of the text itself. The highlighter adds a colored background behind your selected text, so it pops on the page. Click the small arrow next to the text highlight color icon to open the color palette. Then choose the color you prefer. Yellow is a classic choice, but you can pick any available shade that matches your style or your organization's standards. As soon as you click a color, the background of your selected text updates instantly. If you change your mind, simply keep your text selected and pick a different color from the same menu. You'll also see an option for no color, which clears the highlight if you ever need to remove it. If you have multiple sections to emphasize, repeat the same selection and highlight process for each part. Keep highlights consistent and sparing so your most important points remain clear. When you are done, glance over the email to make sure the highlighted sections are exactly what you want to emphasize. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.